guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing video for you for BeeBeeCraft.com. So here is the website, and I will link everything in the description box below. But before I open this up, I wanted to share with you how you can also be a part of their YouTube cooperation program. So that's what I'm doing, basically. I am a part of their cooperation program. The qualifications to be, to apply, you just need to have at least 100 subscribers to your YouTube channel. And then you can, I will link directly to the application if you would like to apply to be a part of that. It'll be in the description box below. And like I said, you need to have 100 subscribers or more. And then they will send you free samples to try out. And then you need to make videos using those products, and then you just send them the videos. So it's a lot of fun. It's super cool because you get to try out some new products, and they are amazing to work with. Everybody that I have talked to at the company has been amazing, and the products are awesome. So go and check that out. And like I said, it'll all be linked below, and I'll also link to all of the products that I have this time. So I'll leave that up here. And then I have not opened it. As you see, I took it out of the mailing packaging, but that's all I did so far. So let's go ahead and get this open. They package everything so safely. It's very nice. You don't have to worry about anything breaking or coming undone. Everything is just, this bubble, lots of bubble wrap. And not that you want to probably watch me do this on camera, but that's what we're doing today. we will get in there in a minute, I'm sure. All right. Oh, look at all the fun. I can start to see it. All the fun stuff in here. How exciting. All right, I'm gonna pull it all out, and then we will look at everything here. Oh, wow. Sort of forgot what I got. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right. And okay, so there's just the bubble wrap. And then here's just my my packing slip here. All right, so let's look and see. Look at this. All right, I'm gonna open this one first because it's in some more packaging. Let me see if I can get that open here. Oh, that's right. Cool. All right, so isn't that funny? I completely forgot what I was getting. All right, so let's look here. All right, so I had to have these because they're pink. They are like jeweler's tools. So you've got, let me just cut this because it would probably be easier. So it's a 3-piece set. You've got some nice, oh, these are nice. They feel nice. I don't know what things are called, but this would be like a round, what do you call these? Needle nose pliers? Yeah, I'm not gonna try, but this is what you would use to wrap, the wire around. And then these are cutters. So these have, the cutting edge. So those are nice. They're a little stiff, but I bet you, yeah, there we go. They just need to be worked a little bit. Very nice. And I had to have them because they're pink, and my tools currently are, manly. So these are just your standard, gripping type pliers. Like I said, I don't know the names of things, but I think these are very nice. I think these will be very useful. The reason I got them, I need to I'd like to do some more, you know, do more with beads and that kind of thing. So I thought, you know, that would be nice to have my own little girly set of jewelry pliers and things. So yay, so cool. All right, and then here we have, these are some glass faceted beads. Let's just pull some out here. These are gorgeous. So I like to use these for tassels because they've got the nice wide opening, and they're so pretty. Look at that. They're really pretty. Very just nice, you know, they pick up the light nice, and there's lots of different colors and tons of them. I think it's 100 in here. Yeah, it says 100 on their lips. So they are glass, and they, yeah, really nice. I like those a lot. Those will get used. I was kind of running low on that type of bead for my tassels, so that's perfect. All right, and then this is a package of flat back pearls. And let me see if I can get a spot to cut here. There we go. I love everything comes in these nice packages. So, I mean, this is perfect. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes, and then they open up here like this. These are fabulous. All right, let me get a bigger one just so it's easier for you to see. But they're this kind of pinky brown color. These are perfect. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. Yeah, and so they've got the flat back. These are awesome. Wow, this is very nice. I like these a lot. So you've got this, you know, you've got the itty bitty tiny ones. Oh, and this, I mean, this isn't gonna open if you don't want it to. That's for sure. So we've got itty bitty ones. Yeah, I like the different sizes. Let's focus here. Very nice. Oh, I like these a lot. I like that color. Very nice. All right, and then I got some pearl type beads, and it says 10 different colors, but I went with kind of a neutral. I can't remember if there were other color options. There may have been, but I went with kind of a neutral set here. So, oh wow, look at that. So you've got, you know, you've got your pinks and your golds and like a, you know, coppery color, and then some beige and white. Very nice. And in this great little container, so I don't have to worry about where I'm gonna put it. It's already contained. So that's fabulous. And then I had no idea what I was getting here. These are awesome. All right, let me I mean, I kind of had an idea, but I had no idea what it was actually gonna, you know, look like. So these are really cool metal pieces. So I know that there are like multiples of each, but look at these. These are pretty. Let me get it up here so you can see. Oh, look at this owl. How cute is he? Nick's gonna try and steal that from me. And then we have, so they, I mean, they could be charms. Like this one has the little hole in the top. Or I'm thinking, you know, like this one also does, has the little, you know, a little hole. But I'm thinking they would also be great to just, you know, glue on to to a cover. They're super thin, so you could even probably put them on a page. Those are so neat. So many different, did I have the right way up? Yeah. So many different designs. These are super cool. Yeah, I had an idea, but I did, you know, like I didn't really pay attention to how big they were going to be, but these are really neat. And like I said, they're really thin, which is nice because I can put them in a journal and not feel like I'm adding a ton of bulk. These are a little bit more dimensional, so but these would be cool on a cover or hanging, you know, off of a spine, because this one has the little hole at the top too. These are really neat. Let's see here. We've got all kinds of different designs. Look at that. Wow, these are pretty. I'm liking these a lot. I like adding, you know, I like adding metal and different textures. So these are perfect. Very nice. Okay, so I am going to link all of this below. There's a different one, I think. And then you can go and check these out. Yeah, very, very cool. Oh, this one, let's see. It just got turned a little bit, but that's a nice leaf. I like that. Very fun. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will be back and we will play with these. I'm loving this owl. Nick is gonna steal it from me. I know he is. He's not in here right now, but when he sees that, he's gonna want it. And I love these. Oh, here's a different kind of butterfly. Oh, this one is, oh no, there's just multiples, but it is a little more dimensional. It's got some dimension to it, but I might even have more than one here still. How cute would that be on a cover of a journal? I like that a lot. There are just, I mean, there's just a ton of different patterns and oh, look at that. How pretty. Rose. Oh, wow. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So yeah, I will be back soon and we will do, I'll do some like tutorials or craft with me's and we'll use all of this stuff. But yeah, these are gonna be fun. Very cool. All right, so check out all the links in the description box below. And don't forget, if you have a YouTube channel, to head on over to the link that's called YouTube Cooperation Program. And you can apply to be part of the team and get some fun free crafting supplies, some free samples of things to share on your channel and have fun with. So yeah, go and check all that out, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day and I will be back soon. Take care. Please be safe. Stay, you know, yeah, stay safe, stay happy, be healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.